I just I just woke up. Hello. Mm. Hi. Bro, that's not, if you can see, this is not hitting. That is, I scratch it, so that's why naganyan siya. Pero hindi po yan hitting. Taga-asa ka, Charvin. Taga Northern Mindanao. Hi, June. Bro, I'm about to sleep. I'm about to, na siguro ko maligo eh. Ang ina kong gabi maligo. I don't have ligo. And, good morning. Good morning from me. Pilit mo yung sinta. Ganyan yung woke up like this. Ganyan kaya, bagong gising. Lumalaki na talaga yung sugat. It's look like hickey, but it's not hickey. If you're asking, it's not hickey, bro. Kainis. It's look like an hickey. But it's not. Everything sucks. Just kidding. Hi, Mr. App. You're here again. After this, maliligo ako. Hindi ka maligo. Parang di naman nagpipinkish. Ayan, nagpipinkish na siya. Parang ganun. Kita niyo ba? Hirap mang pinipinta, pero wala sa sarili. Hindi na pabalik. Kumain ka na? Yes. I done eating na all then. Thank you for the concern. Kagising ko nga lang. Kagising ko lang. Hindi pa ako nakapagkain. I never had my lunch because I'm on my diet. And hindi pa ako naliligo. Later, mag-wash ako later. I scratched it. This is not hickey, ah. If you're asking me, this is not hickey. I also have red mark here. I don't know. I think it's ants. It's bitten by the ants. Di na babalik. Ano yan, smart? Yang, ano ha? What? Ano? 고야나다운가. I want you to meet my cat. Here. Hi, Via. We have the same name, but different meaning. You sleep, my baby. You sleep. So cute. I want you to meet. You stay here. You sleep there. You sleep. Baby, no. Lumalaki siya ng lumalaki. Yes. Para tuloy siya ng Diba, ho? Diba? Diba? Well, hindi naman.